I have repaired thousands of headphones, saving people's wallets and the planet from electronic waste. I've kept hundreds of these jacks as memories to remember that work. Today's goal is to add another piece of framed thatch art to my wall. To do that, I need a deep shadowbox frame, which I found at IKEA. First, remove the rear panel of the frame and cover it with glue. Attach your background paper to this panel. This is where all the 3.5 jacks will be mounted. Once the paper is glued down, trim the edge with a sharp paper knife. You can definitely use any color you like for your background. Next, place the panel back into the frame to mark the safety margin. You shouldn't glue any jacks in this area, or the panel won't fit back into the frame later. Before gluing, place the jacks on the panel and decide on a pattern. There are hundreds of ways to do it. Once you've found your layout, grab some universal glue and start mounting them. It takes a lot of time, but the process is relaxing. Just you, hundreds of jacks, and the smell of glue. I started by gluing the colored jacks around the outer edge, and the black ones in the center. Maybe I should have done it the other way around. I don't know, but I know that in art there is no wrong way. That's why it's art. This is how it looks. Maybe I should add some thatch screw name on top of the jacks. Do you have any ideas on how to arrange them more attractively? I definitely have enough left over for at least one more frame.